morning, guys. Welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. So, I made some chicken fritters. Question is, are they for breakfast or are they for dinner? I'll let you decide. Come follow me along in this video. My God, what did you eat? Okay, let's start with the cutting board. Take 2 chicken breasts, slice them and dice them into small pieces. Put that into your bowl, set that aside. Clean cutting board. Grater, 2 or 3 average potatoes, grate them down. Put that into your mixing bowl. Set aside, clean cutting board. 1 red onion, slice that down, grate that down. Put that into your bowl. Add 2 eggs, tablespoon of salt, tablespoon of pepper. Mix that all together. Time for the frying pan. Add some cooking oil. Turn on the heat and make your fritters. Put them in the frying pan, flatten them out a little bit. Cover that up. Cook for 5 minutes on each side. Time's up. Flip them over. Cover back up. 5 more minutes. And first batch is done, folks. I can smell that and taste that already. Let's get the second batch ready. Only 4 this time. Wait till you see what I do with these. Cover that up. 5 minutes. Time's up. Flip them over. Cover that back up. While they're cooking, we're going to make the tomato basting sauce. 4 tablespoons of tomato puree, 3/4 cup of water. Mix that together. And add that to the fritters. Cover that up. Cook that for another 4 or 5 minutes. Let them baste in that tomato sauce. Time's up. Put the fritters on a plate. What do you think, guys? Left or right? Your call. We're going to try the ones on the right side. Look at that, guys. Winner, winner. Breakfast, lunch, or dinner. These fritters are a winner. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed watching it, much as I've enjoyed making it. If you did, click the like button. Subscribe. Share it with a friend. Just remember, when the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Homestead Kitchen Living, making cooking fun again. And if you're really down, don't forget, go with Jesus. You'll have a great day. Thanks again for watching.